Hey guys, so today I'm showing you this beautiful look right here. It's really simple and it's pretty quick, and it's just a gorgeous glam, like a quick easy glam makeup look. It's really pretty. You can make it easier by not doing like a wing or like anything. You can change it up, but yeah, I really love this look. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. Okay, so I've already done one eye off camera, and oh my gosh, I just love this look, this eye look so much. And it's super simple. So I'm just gonna start off with my e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. Finally got a new one, so now I can actually get it out with my finger and put it on my eye instead of having to use a brush, because my last one I got was all dried out for some reason and wouldn't come out with like my finger, and it wasn't nice and smooth like it normally is. So I don't know what happened with that old one, but I managed to figure out how to use it, but now I have a new one. I'm going to use my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette today. I got this a while ago and I haven't had like a chance to do a video with it, but it's so gorgeous. And I'm gonna start off with Rolling in Dough right here, which is just a nice cream shade, with my same Real Technique shading brush. Just do same exact thing I always do to set my brow bone and inner corner area. I'm bringing it a little farther down this time just because we don't, obviously there's not much color in the crease. We don't want there to be much shading in the crease, but still something there. So setting that kind of helps keep it a little less like pigmented. And I just got this new, I got a bunch, did a whole haul of this AOA Studio brand for my birthday, and yeah, this is a like eye brush set, and I love these brushes. They're so good. So this one is the E128 brush. They're super soft and amazing. I'm gonna take So Bougie right here, which is a cool toned light brown, kind of like almost a little bit grayish, and I'm gonna tap that off for a while until nothing comes off, because I don't want this to be very pigmented. So then I'm just gonna add that in the crease. Just give it some light shading in there, but not a lot of it. We don't want it to get really dark or anything. I'm gonna take the E131 brush from AOA, and it's just a flat like shader brush, and I'm going to take Drippin' Diamonds, which is this really pretty silver. This is like the prettiest silver shade ever, and I'm just gonna pack that on the lid. Look at that color. It's so bright and gorgeous and pigmented. I love it. So then I'm gonna add a glitter, and I'm gonna use this e.l.f. I don't know, this is like a liquid glitter eyeshadow, and I believe this one's in Bling Bling. Yeah, this is like a really pretty silver color, and I got a brand new one for this. and it just adds, like you can tell there's a difference. It just adds such a bright extra sparkle and glitter. It's just so pretty. It feels very Christmassy. So I'm just gonna pat this wand on top of that shade we already laid down to add some pretty sparkles. These glitters are so mess free and they're just amazing. I love them. And this is only $5, so it's really cheap. And you could obviously do this with just like any regular like cool tone brown and a matte and like a skin tone color and then like any silver shadow. But I just really wanted to bust out my Too Faced palette for this because I haven't been able to use it for you guys for anything. So I decided to use it in this look. I almost forgot. I'm going to take this little pencil brush. It's the E134. And I'm going to use the Milani, what's this called? Stellar Lights Highlighter Palette in Rose Glow. And I'm going to use the shade Pearl, which is just this white shade. It's so pretty. And I'm going to highlight my brow bone with that. As you can tell, this is highlighted. I almost forgot to do this. I'm also going to highlight my inner corner as well. So now I'm just going to do my face makeup, and I'm going to use my Acne Fighting Putty Primer. Like always, I haven't put this down since I got it. Like I've literally haven't touched any other primers other than this because I just love it so much. And I'm just gonna blend that out. Smooths out my skin so nicely, and it's pretty hydrating at the same time. And I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. And just put 2 pumps of that on the back of my hand. I bought a pump for it because I love this foundation. And then I'm just dotting this on the face. I'm just going to blend that in with my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge as always. And then I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I just got a brand new one because I use this so often that I ran out of, I was running low on my old one, so I grabbed a new one because I just love this concealer so much. And I'm just going to put that on all of my acne spots. And I'm going to let that sit there while I do my under eyes and down my nose. I'm going to contour my face, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. And my e.l.f. Angled Contour Brush. And then I'm going to take my Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush Trio, and I'm using the one in Hope. And I'm just adding a little bit right there, and blend that out with the sponge. It's such a pretty and glowy blush. And then I'm going to set my entire face with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And I'm going to use my Milani Sun-Kissed Silky Matte Bronzing Powder. I'm going to use my Essence The Blush in the shade Believing. It's a really pretty cool toned blush. Cool tone, like dusty mauve shade. It's really pretty. And then I'm going to use my Milani, I already showed you guys, that's the same highlighter palette as earlier, and I'm gonna highlight my face with that now. And then I'm going to set my face with my NYX Bear With Me multitasking spray. Apparently I can't speak anymore. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to use my e.l.f. Bite Size Brow Palette in the shade Neutral Brown, and my e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo Brush. Oh, dang it. And then I'm gonna go in with my Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Silky Nude. And I just got a brand new one. Super pigmented. Put it right in the waterline, and then, oh, I almost forgot. I'm going to use my Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara to set my brows. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply my Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Kiss So Wispy Lashes, the number 11s, and I'm going to use my Kiss Lash Glue Liner in black just to apply my lashes. And I might do a wing, I'm not sure about it yet, but I guess I'll figure it out. So I applied my lashes and I did a wing, and I think that it looks really, really pretty. And now I'm going to finish off the look by applying red lips. I'm really excited about this. And I'm going to use the NYX Lip Pencil in Hot Red to line the outsides of my lips. Okay, I just did that outside part of my lips just because it's easier. So then I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink liquid lipstick, and this one is in Pioneer. It's a really gorgeous cool toned red color. And this is the completed makeup tutorial. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!